Y'all, this is my last time eating starch. Cause I was sick for the last 2 days. I had ate a bag of chunk. And I was sick. I got the Argo. It's really good. Cause my husband kept telling me get the Argo, and I won't listen. But my stomach,
everybody needs to mature and grow up.
My stomach be hurting. I might be feeling weak when I eat the starch, so I'm gonna stop.
So far, I've raised my credit score 39 points. 127 points.
I like the texture of it.
I would recommend Self to everyone.
It feels really good. You should try it.
I like the texture of the starch.
Science Junior from Little Passport.
But I can't be eating it.
Each month, a new package is delivered to your door with a whole world of science projects and activities. Science Junior is the perfect.
And I got extra reflex.
Buy now at littlepassports.com. Must be 18 or older to order.
Definitely him.
I got me some cooked Argo in my bag.
I gotta ask him.
So.
Hello. Hi. Mind if I sit? Oh.
When it's frosty time, choose wisely. Choose with new
I got the regular Argo right here.
Medina delivering pizza.
And then my husband mad with me, y'all.
She's Cat Medina.
He got absolutely out.
Provider of all
I love you, boo. He just look at me. He mad. Now this is the cooked one. This is the cooked one. And the other one, I was trying to make my own cup. But
we left aluminum out and put unbeatable 48-hour freshness and 1/4 moisturizer.
I love the oven taste to it.
Dove 0% aluminum deodorant, instantly dry feel and kind on skin.
But I want why the chunks made me sick when I ate them. I don't know if they mixed it with something else in there, or maybe the chunks are too much starch in one. I don't know why I got sick. But yeah. What wrong?
If you're living in the darkness of
I've been down a minute.
depression, Caplyta can help.
Yeah, I gotta go. My baby need help with homework, but I'll be back.
Caplyta is a once daily pill proven to deliver
I'll be back.